Welcome and thank you for visiting. Today I'll be doing another tutorial on how to set up the Elixir 2 widgets on Nova Launcher when using a Minix Neo U22-XJ. What we will do first is get into our Nova Launcher settings. So we get into the settings. Now we're going to head to gestures and inputs. Once we are here, we're going to ensure that the home button becomes our app drawer. We're going to ensure that the second option is checked. We need to modify the menu button behavior. If you do not have that option, we are going to hit our back key until we exit out of Nova Launcher and until we return home. We will press our menu key a few times to let Nova Launcher know that we have a menu key. Now we have an option to modify the long press menu key. We will change that to app search. Now we will exit Nova Launcher by pressing the back key, not the home key. Once we arrive to the home screen, we should be able to hold down the menu key until the mini menu for the app search works. Now, I have the Elixir widget icon available to me right now. However, if you don't, what we're going to do is we're going to type in what we're looking for and it'll appear for us. We're going to drag this icon down. We are going to long click it. We are going to select the widgets option. We're going to choose the size that we want. And we are going to select what we want to appear. We are going to ensure that we hit the create button. We now have widgets. To resize them, we will hold it down and we will attempt to resize it. We will not see an effect until we resize both dimensions of it. Now it'll work no matter what grid pattern you choose. That's all for now, and thank you for watching.